Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some Palmier cookies. They are a buttery, flaky, and sweet cookie that I absolutely love to make, and they're easy to do as well. So let's get started. Alright, to begin, I have my puff pastry already thawed out. It's just been kind of chilling in the refrigerator. You don't want it warm, but you want it to be slightly cool. Now you can find puff pastry in the freezer section where the ice cream and desserts are. You can just find some plain puff pastry. Now I've got this laid out flat on my cutting board. I'm just going to brush this lightly with some butter. This is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You don't want the butter to be too hot, but you want it to definitely be melted. And I'm just gonna very generously brush this on. Set this aside. Now I've got some sanding sugar. You can find sanding sugar in the baking aisle over by like the cake mix and stuff like that. It's going to be called Decorative sugar. So I have some white and I'm just going to sprinkle this right over top. You just want to make sure you got an even layer. I'm just gonna pat that in. Make sure I got all the spots that need a little sugar. All right, now I'm going to take one end of my puff pastry and I'm gonna start to roll it inwards. I'm gonna roll it about halfway. Once you get it started, it's pretty easy to keep going. You just want to make sure that it's tight though. That looks to be about halfway. Now I'm going to do the other side. Alright, now you just want to take a look at your rolls and see, are they about the same size? So I've got this side just a little bit bigger than this side, so I'm going to make up for that distance and roll this in a little bit more. Now they look to be about the same now. Now I've got my knife, I'm just going to even up and press in the edges here of any puff pastry that's slumped out the sides. And then I'm going to cut this. It's going to be about the width of your pinky. Okay, that's going to be maybe 1/4 of an inch. You don't want it too big. Now they look a little rough right now after you've cut them, but don't worry, we'll reshape them up just a bit and get them on the tray and they'll turn out beautiful. Now I'm going to set these aside and swap it for my pan. So you see how it's kind of gotten a little bit wonky. Now it's a little bit long. We can fix that, no problem. So all you want to do is unroll it just a little bit and then roll it back so that it's a nice circle. Want these to be on the tray for about an inch. 1/2 an inch to an inch apart from each other. You just don't want them to run together. They're not going to spread too much. Now that I have all of those spread out and ready to go, I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these until they start to turn lightly golden brown. Not fully, the bottom will be golden brown, and you just want the edges to start to become golden brown. You don't want them too dark. So these should take roughly maybe 20 minutes, but you really wanna wait until you see that golden brown color coming around the edges to take them out. All right, be right back. All right, my palmiers are out of the oven. They baked until they started to lightly turn golden brown, and that took about roughly 25 to 30 minutes. Now they're out and ready to try. Off top, they're very flaky. I'm gonna break one in half here. Nice caramelization on the bottom. These are so good. They're absolutely delicious to me. These are one of my absolute favorite cookies to make and eat. They're so flaky and light and buttery, and they've got that caramelized sugar on the bottom as well as a little bit of sanding sugar throughout and on top. And it's just all 10s for me. I love it. These are very quick and easy to make. So if you want to impress someone quickly or you're having someone come over real quick, pop these in the oven. They're easy to make. You can roll them in advance and put them in the freezer and then cut them up later. So they're one of my favorite go-tos. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for another recipe. I post every Friday, so you're guaranteed to see a new recipe every week. Thanks.